Hi everyone, welcome back to TenneyTube. Today we're talking about something that makes the Tenney School truly special: small class sizes. You've probably heard people say that small class sizes are better for learning. In this video, we'll explore the top reasons small class sizes matter and how they can make a huge difference in a student's education. Let's jump right in. One of the biggest benefits of small class sizes is the personalized attention students receive. At the Tenney School, our small classes means teachers really get to know their students, their strengths, their challenges, and even their unique learning styles. Imagine being in a classroom where your teacher can answer all of your questions, provide detailed feedback, and tailor lessons to your needs. That's the kind of experience students get here every day. With fewer students, there's no getting lost in the crowd. Everyone has a voice, and every student has a chance to succeed. Small class sizes don't just feel better, they actually lead to better academic performance. Studies show that students in smaller class sizes often score higher on tests, participate more in discussions, and feel more confident in their abilities. At the Tenney School, we see this firsthand. Our students thrive because they're in an environment that encourages engagement and interaction. Whether it's tackling a challenging math problem or discussing a thought-provoking book, our students have the space and support to excel academically. Another incredible advantage of small class sizes is the relationships students build with their teachers. At the Tenney School, our teachers aren't just instructors, they're mentors, cheerleaders, and guides. In a smaller class size, teachers have the time to really connect with their students. They can notice when a student is struggling and step in to help, or when the student is excelling and offer more challenges to keep them engaged. These relationships don't just help academically, they help students grow in confidence and feel supported throughout their educational journey. Small class sizes also create a more comfortable and collaborative classroom environment. Think about it. When there are fewer students, it's easier to build trust and foster teamwork. Our classrooms feel more like a community. Students are more willing to ask questions, share their ideas, or even take risks in their learning. That kind of environment encourages creativity, problem solving, and critical thinking. All essential skills to build success beyond school. And it's not just the students who benefit. Teachers love it too. They can focus on teaching instead of crowd control. That means more meaningful learning moments for everyone. Finally, small class sizes help prepare students for the future. Whether it's college, a career, or personal growth, the skills learned in a small classroom setting translate in the real world. At the Tenney School, students learn how to advocate for themselves, collaborate with each other, and communicate effectively. These are the kinds of skills that set them apart as they move on to higher education and beyond. Plus, with the support and encouragement they receive in our small classes, students graduate feeling confident and ready to tackle whatever comes next. And that's why small class sizes matter, especially here at Tenney School. It's not just about having fewer students in a room, it's about creating an environment where every student can thrive, learn, and grow. If you're looking for a school that prioritizes personalized attention, strong relationships, and student success, Tenney School might be the place for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's curious about the benefits of small class sizes.